In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have Gmail automatically delete emails that are older than a certain date. This can be an incredibly useful tool to help you manage your inbox more efficiently and ensure that old emails don't pile up unnecessarily. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in the search query, "How to have Gmail delete emails older than a certain date." This will give you a good starting point to understand the process and the options available to automate this task in Gmail. While Google provides a variety of resources, today we'll walk through a straightforward approach that involves using Gmail's powerful search features and filters to achieve this goal. Now, once you've searched for the query, click on the most relevant link to get insights into the steps we'll be outlining here. Gmail's search function is quite robust, so we'll use it to filter your emails. Open Gmail and focus on the search bar, which you can find at the top of the page. You'll be entering a special search term here. Type in before, followed by a date format as YYYYMMDD. This command will filter your inbox to show only the emails sent before the specified date. Try adjusting the date to suit your filtering needs. After you've identified the older emails through the search feature, the next step is creating a filter to automatically delete them. To do this, click the small arrow in the search bar, which will open up additional search options. Once there, you should see the option to create a filter with your search. Click on this, and Gmail will prompt you with a series of actions that the filter can perform. Now, in this part, you need to decide on the action to take on the identified emails. Here, you want to choose Delete It from the list of options. This action instructs Gmail to move the filtered emails directly to the trash. Once you're satisfied, make sure to click on Create Filter. This filter will now automatically delete emails older than the date you've specified in your search query. For those of you concerned about permanently losing important emails, there's a useful tip. Before setting the filter to delete, you could instead choose Skip the Inbox and apply a specific label to these emails. This way, you create an archive that isn't immediately deleted, providing you with peace of mind. Remember, Gmail's trash folder will hold on to deleted emails for 30 days before permanently removing them, giving you a buffer to recover any emails should you need them. And there you have it. Managing an ever-growing inbox effectively helps keep your digital life organized and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks like this one.